other term again, which one hears of very, very often in industrial IoT. Again, my question is, what do you think is the relationship between industrial IoT and digital transformation?
Great question. So can I give you an answer by way of an example?
Please do.
So there are critical parameters that are measured in the pharma industry. Case in point, let's look at a warehouse. Temperature, relative humidity, continue to date being measured manually. So somebody observes and then somebody records. We at BCI deployed solutions where intelligent IoT sensors combined with a read to cloud solution, which is a way of digital transformation, actually has not only led increase in compliance, but also arrested raw material wastage.
So as I think about the entire supply chain of a pharmaceutical manufacturer, I can think of multiple points from which digital transformation could be approached. Which approach, in your opinion, makes the most sense?
I think it's good to begin at the beginning. That's the warehouse. Companies usually want to focus and invest in digitizing the manufacturing process, which is not wrong, but it is usually the warehouse which comes under scrutiny. Secondly, amongst everything, I think it creates an organizational mindset to, have compliance workflows thereon. Third, we have witnessed almost 75% savings on label costs alone and 25% savings on operational time, which is very, very significant.
I think that's staggering. So considering that the warehouse is really where manufacturing companies should begin, what are the three things that a CXO should be looking at, or three factors that they should be considering before they start on their digital transformation journey?
Okay, surprisingly, while the raw material warehouse and the packing material warehouse processes are very well set, it is here where the auditors usually find some flaws. So somebody who's embarking on a journey of digital transformation, I would suggest one is identify all the areas which are going to come under digital processing. Two is to map the compliances with gaps in processes, if any. And three is to preempt any digital integration that may be required. For example, legacy systems, third-party applications, assets. That's my suggestion.